Okay, so now you can tell me that what is something that most of the people are doing these days continuously, but you are not, or what is something that you are doing these days, but most of the people are not. Like most of the people are going abroad. Most of the people are going abroad to get better jobs, but I am not. But I am. Someone can say like I am giving my enough time. I am giving my enough time in reading, writing, listening, and speaking to improve my language, but most of the people are not. But most of the people are like these days most of the people are investing their money in share market, but you can say that I am not. Like these days millions of people are trying to learn English to make their future better or to get better jobs, but you can say that I'm not. I am a what is something, so many things you can talk about. Like people are learning new skills. People are learning new skills to make their future better or to get jobs easily, to get jobs easily, or to get more opportunities, to get more opportunities. But you can say that I'm not. Like these days I am exploring my mind. These days I am exploring my mind, but you are not. These days I'm trying to improve myself. These days I'm trying to improve myself, but most of the people are not. Like these days I am reading history a lot. I am reading history a lot to know more about our past, to know more about our or to know more about the past incidents, about the past incidents or past events of our country, but most of the people are not. I am understanding the things clearly. I am understanding the things clearly because I am studying science a lot. Because I am studying science a lot, but most of the people are not. You can say that my brother is working in a private company. My brother is working in a private company, but I am not. But I am. Like most of the people are not taking some bold decisions. Most of the people are not taking bold decisions to become strong in their life. But you can say that I am. Like you can say that these days I'm trying to avoid poisonous people from my life. I'm trying to avoid poisonous people from my life, but you can say that you are not. Or I am trying to avoid toxic people from my life, but you can say that most of the people are not, or you are not. Like these days I'm trying to learn that how to play guitar, but my friend is not. Like the earth is moving on its own axis, but the moon is not. Japan is still improving. Japan is still improving their technology day by day, but most of the countries are not, or you can say that Japan is trying. Japan is trying to improve their technology day by day, but most of the countries are not. Like also you can say that most of the people are not learning from their mistakes, but I am. Most of the people are not learning from their past, but you can say that I am. Like the price of petrol is increasing day by day. The price of petrol is increasing day by day, but the value of money is not. Like books are giving us knowledge. Books are giving us, but movies are not. They say I am understanding you, but you are not. I am getting your point, but you are not. I am facing these problems, but you are not. इस तरीके से बोल सकते हो. I am trying to solve my problems myself, but you are not. I am taking decisions, or I am taking good decisions, but you are not. I am thinking before taking a decision, but you are not. Like you can say that my calculation is improving day by day. My calculation is improving day by day, but yours is not. But yours is not. Like my behavior is changing day by day, or I am changing my behavior day by day, but yours is not. But yours is Not. Like your way of talking is improving day by day. Your way of talking is improving day by day, but your friends is not. But your friends is. I am using creative ways. I am using creative ways to improve my English, but most of the people are not. I am changing my learning methods. I am changing my learning methods to improve my English, but most of the people are not. Like my relatives are interfering in my personal life. My relatives are interfering in my personal life, but my best friends are not. Like most of the people are eating junk food these days. Most of the people are eating junk food these days, but you can say that I'm not. You are scaring me. You are scaring me by giving this face expression. By giving this face expression, but I am not. These days, I'm trying to learn new words. I'm trying to learn new words to improve my vocabulary. But most of the students are not. Like most of the people or most of the students are blaming their parents for their failures. But you can say that I'm not. Like these days, most of the people or most of the children are becoming dependent. But you can say that I am not. You are changing your thinking. You're changing your thinking, but most of the people are. You're improving your behavior, but most of the people are. You are using your words wisely. You are using your words wisely, but most of the people are not.